Hey boys and girls, lots of kids are always asking me how to play Happy Birthday. So I thought I'd make a video lesson so that you could learn how to play it and then maybe play it for a grandparent or a friend or a brother or sister or one of your parents. Or maybe take a video of yourself and send it off through the internet and share it with one of your good friends or relatives. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it from the beginning for you, kind of on the quick side, and then we'll work our way through it, okay? I'm going to stand up so that you can see my fingers a little bit better. And here I go. 1, ready, go. So you saw me go up to a high note in there, didn't you? You saw me go up to that high C right there. And there's 2 different ways that you can finger that note to successfully play it. And I'll show you both when we get to that point in the song. And you can also see that we have high B flats right here. Now, if you're a 6th grade player, well, you know what your high B flat is. If you're a 5th grade player, you might not know the fingering for that high B flat. And it's pretty easy to do. It's just the A key and then the thumb on the register key back here. Okay? Very easy note to play. We'll talk about that again in a second. Let's just look at this first group of notes. C, C, D, C, F, E. That's pretty easy. Here we go. Get ready and play along with me. C, C, D, C, F, E. Ready? 1, ready, and play. Pretty good? Let's do it again. 1, ready, and play. Cool? And then the next group of notes, C, C, D, C, same first 4 notes, C, C, D, C, G, F. Here it's C, C, D, C, F, E, and here we go 1 note higher to G and F. C, C, D, C, open G, thumb F. Let's play that. 1, ready, go. Let's do that again. C, C, D, C, G, F. 1, ready, and play. And do it again. 1, ready, play. Good. Let's play the whole first line, okay? C, C, D, C, F, E, C, C, D, C, G, F. From the beginning. 1, ready, play. Good. Let's do it again. 1, ready, and play. All right. So now we've got something that's kind of tricky. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. I'm going to show you the best way, which is also the hardest way. Okay? I'm going to go C, C, C. All right, so I'm going to start on my thumb and 1, 2, 3 fingers C. I'm going to go C, C, but then I have to go up to my high C. And this is pretty difficult. I want you to try to do it this way. Okay? And the more you work at it, the better you'll get, and it will work for you sooner or later. This is called going over the break. Okay? I'm going to go C, C. Then I'm going to add my thumb to the register key. I'm just going to bump it on. I'm going to keep my thumb covering the thumb tone hole. And I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3 fingers and my pinky. It's a pretty hard note to finger if you're a 5th grader. Okay? So I'm adding my right hand pinky to this key. It's the hardest one to reach. It's this guy here, okay? 1, 2, 3, and that. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to go C, C, C. Hopefully it will come out good. Sometimes it doesn't, even for me. All right, came out pretty good for me. Ah, not that time. So you've really got to squeeze your fingers down firmly and get that pinky down also. That's challenging even for 6th graders. Some 5th graders can do it, but that's hard to do. Now I'm going to show you a cheat on it. Cool? All right. Yeah. So we start with the CC, and now we're going to go up to that high C, but I'm going to show you an alternate fingering for it. Makes it a lot easier to play. I'm going to finger that high B flat note that I showed you at the beginning of this video lesson. It's the A key and the thumb on the register key. My thumb is not covering the thumb tone hole. So I'm fingering my high B flat that we will use here. I'm going to start with that fingering to play that C, and then I'm going to see these 4 side keys on the clarinet. There's 2 down low, and then there's 2 up high. And I'm going to use the side of my index finger in my right hand, and I'm going to add both of those side keys. Okay? 4 keys, 4 side keys right here. 2 low, 2 upper. I'm going to use the side of my finger right at my knuckle, and I'm going to add both of those side keys. Those 2 up there. The ones that are closest to the top of the instrument. So, I'm going to start on my C. Then I'm going to go to my V flat up here, and I'm going to add those 2 side keys. And that gives us a C. It's not the greatest sounding C in the world, but it's a C, okay? If it sounded better than the other fingering, well then this would be the one we would always use. This is an alternate fingering for that C. So again, I'm using my A key, my thumb on the register key, but my thumb is not covering the thumb tone hole, and I'm adding those top 2 side keys, and I have to practice going from the C fingering to the high C fingering. So here's my C, here's the high C. Try that with me. We're going to go C, C, high C. Ready? And play. And let's do it again. Do it again. And you'll find that sometimes you'll get it and sometimes you won't. And you know that the more you practice it, the easier it becomes. And once you've worked on it for a couple minutes on just doing that, then move on. Okay? And then come back to it. And then move on. And then come back to it. And then do it again tomorrow. And in a couple days, you will surprise yourself at how quickly and easily you find that high note. Let's continue here on the high B flats. So again, we're using that high B flat fingering, the A key and the thumb on the register key, but not the side key, because we're playing B flats. And we're going to go B, B, A. So I'm going to leave my A key down, and I'm just going to take my thumb away so that I go B flat, A. Okay? B, B, A, F, G, F. Let's try it. Finger your B flat. And remember, you're going to take your thumb away, but you're going to leave your A key down. B, B, A, F, G, F. 1. Ready? High B flat. let's do that again. 1, ready, and play. All right, let's play the whole song all the way through from the very beginning. C, C, D, C, F, E. Remember how easy the first line is? C, C, D, C, G, F. And then C, C, high C, B flat with the 2 top side keys, right? A, F, E, D, and then B flats, B, B, A, F, G, F. Here we go from the very beginning. C, C, D, C. 1, ready, and play. All right? Hey, to be very honest with you, the clarinet, it's probably the hardest of all the instruments to play Happy Birthday on as a 5th or 6th grader because of those crazy alternate fingerings that we have to use to get up to that high C, okay? And then, of course, the B flat. The good news is you're going to need those notes anyway as a 6th grader, and certainly next year if you're in 7th grade. And if you're a 6th grader, you already know that note. But if you're a 5th grader, this is brand new. Very important note, very important high note. And get on that, learn how to play Happy Birthday, and send it off to a favorite relative or friend, and enjoy playing your instrument. I'll see you next week, guys.